In this quick guide, we're going to see how we can install a plugin in WordPress called AMP. And this is suggested by Google Ads, so it's probably to improve also the incomes and in general how the website is performing. So we have a brief description here. If we look for it on the web, we can get it from the web, but we're gonna install it directly in a WordPress environment. So you can see this is to optimize, to improve the site in both mobile and desktop devices, the site visualization and the site functionalities. So if you want to know more about the Google Ads, you can just search for related descriptions about how this is going to optimize also the part concerning the ads in your website. So I just read this in my dashboard. So I am proceeding to install the plugin, and I am here in my site. So from the main dashboard, I'm just gonna go quickly in the plugins section, and from here we can see if you have already installed it, perhaps. So you can see in the installed plugins, you can do a search in the installed plugins, or you can just click up here in the add new plugin, and you can upload it if you have it in your computer, and you can install it manually or just search here for AMP. So we're gonna search plugins in the archive, and this is the one that you want to get. So you can click on install now and just wait. So it's just like the other plugins in WordPress. So for those of you who already know the mechanism, it's really easy. Just wait for the AMP to be downloaded, installed, and then we have an activation button appearing. There you go. So we have that blue activate button. You want to click on that, and depending on the size of your site, you may have to wait a few seconds or a few minutes. You can see the little circle there is working. So just leave it working and go take a coffee or a tea, depending again on how big is your site. You can go also here in more details if you want to have a look to the description of the plugin and all the information. If you want to go deep with this, you have everything you want to know here with the installation process also manually and some screenshots of what you're going to find. Now, you're going to run through a wizard at the beginning that looks something like this, but let me just show you. We finished the installation, so I can click here on the open the wizard, and there you go. So we have now some steps we can go through. So we can choose different experience. I'm gonna go with non-technical and essentially having a simpler setup. Go next and just wait for a site scan and everything to be set for you. And in this case, I'm gonna go with transitional, but you can read all the information there. Could be also other types. And then you have like a kind of a preview, and that's it. So it's gonna finish up with the installation. And this will be all for this quick video guide. It's really easy to install and run AMP, and hopefully it's gonna do some improvement on my site. And this will be all for this guide. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next.